What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. Finally got some new mics for the exhaust and all that. I'm using the DJI Mic Mini 2s. I'm just gonna go get gas real quick because we are in some desperate need of some gas. And we're just gonna do a little bit of a drive, nothing too crazy. I mostly just want to test out the mics, see how the sound comes out and everything. Car's already warmed up. I just went on a little drive earlier. So yeah, we got a little POV night drive for you guys as usual. Over time, I'm gonna do my best to upgrade the setup. You know, we got the better mics. Eventually, I wanna get, you know, a better camera setup going. I'm gonna do my best to do that for you guys. Fill this bad boy up. $32 to fill it up from nearly empty. I usually don't even let it get this low. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me to fill the car up. So yeah, we got 270 miles of range there out of that. Just gonna do a little walk around the car because the 7-Eleven lighting is like the best. I haven't washed the car in a couple weeks, because as I said, it's been like just snowing nonstop. There's a whole bunch of rain and snow, so there's kind of no point of like washing the car. But car's still looking pretty decent. Definitely want to do some cosmetic mods soon, but taking my time with it. I'm not really in a rush to do anything because as the car comes, it's pretty good stock. But eventually I want to get like some taillights and a bigger wing on there and have diffuser and all that. All right, so we're just gonna go for a little drive all over the place. It's kind of random. Get some content for you guys and then we'll head home. And if you guys are thinking of, you know, doing YouTube yourselves, best thing is to just start, you know. Don't think, oh, I need to do this or I need to get this. Just start posting content and then just go from there, you know. Over time, just slowly build yourself up, build the quality up. I mean, obviously don't be posting like terrible quality videos, but at least try to get some decent videos out. And if it doesn't get a whole bunch of views, then, you know, who cares, you know? You're not gonna sit here and get 1 million views on the first video. That doesn't really happen for many people. That's very, very rare. post the video, you know, make a video, post it, and then just go from there, you know. Don't use, you know, anything as an excuse to not post. Guys for, you know, stopping by to the channel. You know, I would really appreciate if you guys share with your friends, family, anything like that, just to help, you know, support the channel further, so I can continue making these videos for you guys and, you know, continue to upgrade the quality of these videos. Anyways, appreciate you guys for stopping